don't like help, they get in the way. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube. Everything's got its spot. All right, we keep going now. Looking for my remote. Went to Harbor Freight, bought an $80 winch. Greatest thing you'll ever do in your life. You save money because you don't have to have people help you and pay for their pit pass and pay them. And so, okay, the infrared is on. Say hi, Danielle. That's Brody's mom. She's watching the baby. They're all on a float trip. All right, we'll get you a better view. I got little idiosyncrasies. So the left front's got camber in it. So I take the strap and I favor it towards the inside of the tire so we'll never have a chance to slip off. Now I tighten that one down pretty tight, but the right front I'll hammer. If you notice, I don't have a butt. Actually, what's better? No butt, a lot of butt, or the perfect butt? Is a perfect butt good? Or is it too perfect? Okay. Okay. Now I tie down here. I got one strap here. The way my suspension loads, my car always wants to go to the left. So I go around the quick change bell, and when I started to tie my car down 3 years ago, this car, it's an Elite. I talked to Nick Hoffman. This is the way Nick ties his car down. So when you tie a car down, you want to make sure you don't hurt the suspension, you know. So yeah, so I tie my car down identical every time. I don't go stupid, just tighten it. All right, the reason I do these videos is because I think it helps you all understand who I am. There's a generation gap. A lot of people watch me on TV, watch me in NASCAR, and they have the complete wrong vision. Guys like Matt Kenseth, we all built our own race cars, and you need to see it. You young kids need to see this so you understand that I was taught, my generation was get your head in the carburetor, work on your own race car. So I do all my own shit. Okay, got a little tender on there. This is my lift. So when we get to the track, I have a lift. It really helps me. Everything's got a place. Everything's got a place. Goes right there. Right there. See? All right, now, you just watched me load my car by myself. You should be able to do the same. You don't want any help. Because when you get help, that means you got help. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. There's chance. All right. I hope you enjoyed watching me load my JEGS dirt car by myself. I do this every weekend. Load it up, unload it, wash it, maintenance, over and over. My dad said a race car is never done, and he's right.